Ma'am?
Get this crazy bastard out of here.
What's the matter?
He set off the smoke alarm twice.
That good, huh?
In the bathroom.
Bunk, it's Jimmy. What the fuck? Bunk, wake the fuck up. Bunk, wake up. What are you doing?
Hey, Jimmy.
What are you doing? Where are your fucking clothes?
Yeah. Hey. Get this shit.
Come on, man.
No.
What do you burn your clothes for, man?
Yeah, all that. Yeah, hair, fibers, and pussy on it.
What trace evidence?
You smell pussy? I don't smell no pussy no more.
Get out.
Shit, I think y'all could just take my ass home. Trace lab ain't gonna have shit on the bunk. That shit, no fucking case file, detective.
Where are your fucking shoes, man? Ma'am? You seen his shoes?
Give me that pussy and now you're gonna take my shoe.